Do you feel like you're going to become another day trading statistic? Is your trading struggling? Are you failing to become profitable? Don't become another gigantic day trading statistic. Just come with me into the office today and let's go and have a look at how you can trade and make money on the stock market and become profitable in your trading, rather than this failing day after day and changing your system and moving things around. Guys, don't change your system every 5 minutes. It's absolutely horrific. You've got to understand that it's all in the psychology. Trading is a 50-50 game. 50% of the time when you take a trade, it's going to win, and 50% of the time when you take a trade, it's going to lose, no matter what system you take. You've watched all those videos with the guys telling you put $100 in and make $1 million in a month, and for a day or a week, I don't even know anymore. And believe me, guess what? It's not going to happen. Never. It's all BS. Even though they're showing you little portfolios on the phone and little tricks and all the rest of it, it's all BS, guys. You can't do that. There's no way, especially if you're a beginner. If you go and you study to become a doctor, do you think you're going to be able to do that job the next day and do it well? Probably not. It takes a lot of learning, it takes a lot of time to get there. And even when you've been trading 30 years like myself, you still don't get there that easily. You still have the same ups and downs as everyone else. For example, the market's at the top now. Are you going long or are you going short? You tell me in the comments, guys. Tell me if you're going long or short on this market. It's so overboard. Let's see what the answers are like. I'm not even going to answer that question. See how difficult that is? It's not easy, is it? But guys, 80% of traders lose money. Don't forget this. Trading is risky, and if you don't like risk and you don't like losing money, you most probably shouldn't be trading. Go down to the description. Get your free Forex book. Your free Forex book is there for you, and I'm not asking anything for it. It's also on the blog. Drop down to the secret blog where I post a free trade every single day. It's just for a trading idea. It's not trading advice. Enjoy it. Have fun. But anyway, let's have a look at a trading system that's going to help you get ahead with your trading today. Support and resistance can be quite interesting sometimes. You can see on this Euro Great British Pound here that we've got our daily level set. There's your resistance, and at the bottom we've got the support. The daily level is set and it's in. We've also got a large one going through the middle here, which is now a resistance area. So you could take this one at the top and you could remove it effectively, and you don't need it. So that's a daily level. We went to the day chart. How did we get this? I mean, effectively we went to the day chart, the 1 day, and we got this level off the day chart, and you can see it broke through on the day chart. So this is a daily level. Normally, to get these levels, I go to the line chart so that we get the closing prices. Now, normally this would have been a support, and what happened here is it broke through the support, and this now has become the resistance. It has to now become the resistance. Take it back to the bar chart. We go back and we look at the 4 hour where we're trading at the moment. Now, the important thing to remember with support and resistance is this has now become your main resistance at the top here. So you are looking for this price to get back up here, but it's not going to go straight up, because what it's done on the 4 hour chart is it has now developed another resistance right in the middle here. And you'll notice this week we've been talking about chart patterns. Now, what chart pattern can you see developing on this chart right now? You can see almost an upside down head and shoulders developing. What would happen? This would be your shoulder. This would be your head. We don't have another shoulder yet, but look at that little red bar coming off this resistance level on the 4 hour. If this now comes back down here and you take this little trade, let me just get this little block here out of the way, we don't need that, and you take this little trade here, and then it decides to go back up, then what have you got, guys? This would be another shoulder. So you'd have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. A head and shoulders tells you what? It'll go all the way back up to this main resistance at the top here. And how do you work out your pattern? The length of the head is where the length of the price will probably go, and if you look at that, this is almost in the middle, so you'll probably get almost perfect trade going from here up to the main resistance in the long run. if this works out. So ahead, don't preempt this trade, but you can see the pattern developing. So you've got your shoulder ahead, and hopefully another shoulder develops. I would take the short here down to this level, good short, then take it long from the main support area and let it run, because it will probably break through this resistance area and go straight up to the main resistance area over here, where you can have a look and see what kind of new trade you've got. Always remember, guys, before you take the trade, look for the green bar, in this case the closed red bar, before then when the next bar starts you can take this trade. So there you go, that's how support and resistance always works. But this one actually looks quite interesting. It's a very interesting one because we have been talking about patterns this week, so if you look at that pattern it looks pretty good. So now that you've seen the trading system, will that trading system help? Will that trading system help you to become profitable? Will it get you to that level that you need to be at? Because that's what it's all about at the end of the day. It's all about the psychology of losing less on your losers and making more on your winners. That's what I always say. You'll hear it every single video, guys. Every single video I'm going to tell you to lose less on your losers, make more on your winners, and use the psychology to make a profit in the stock market. I hope it helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the last video. Cheers. Until next one. Bye.